Hello there, my friends. I just got a message from Amazon. We bought this off of Amazon. This is a bird feeder. Obviously, it's dark out, so there's no birds in it. But they'll come in through this opening, and then they'll beyond the plexiglass, and then we put the seeds in the bowl, and they'll hang out in here. And that's great. But the question was, somebody said, "Can you lock the window if you put this in your window?" Or can somebody just lift the window and push it in and get in your house? We live on the second floor. It's a non-issue for us. But the answer is yes. I mean, absolutely, 100%. There's no way to lock this window because the lock, the hasp is here, right? The latch is there. Like, there's no way. So the answer is yeah, it's not secure while you have the bird feeder in it. Now, if you finagled something like cut a broomstick or something and wedged it in between, then you could presumably, prevent them from lifting the window, but there still might be a way for them to wiggle the thing out. Anyway, that's the answer to that question. And since somebody asked me on Amazon, I'm gonna answer them. I thought it'd be helpful for anybody that watches this video to know that as well. And if it was helpful, please smash like, because that helps me, and I hope to see you guys on another video. Subscribe to my channel, that helps as well.